In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "You've already submitted a request" error on LinkedIn. This quick guide will take you through the steps needed to resolve this issue efficiently, so you can continue using LinkedIn without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First, let's open your browser and go to LinkedIn. Start by entering LinkedIn's URL into your browser's search bar and hitting enter. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll want to navigate to the LinkedIn homepage. You can do this by simply clicking on the LinkedIn logo on the top left of the page, which will direct you to your main feed. On this page, you'll see a variety of updates from your connections, groups, and pages you follow. But we won't be spending much time here today. Next, we're going to locate your profile. To do this, look at the top menu bar and find the Me icon, which usually has your profile picture. Once you click on that, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, select View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn page where all your professional information is showcased. Now, shift your attention to the top menu once more. We're heading to the Help section next. You can find this option under the More tab situated towards the right side of the page. Clicking on Help will take you to LinkedIn's Help Center. This is where LinkedIn offers various resources and self-help options for resolving issues. The final step involves submitting a new request. Within the Help Center, look for the Submit a Request button, usually located under the Account and Preferences section in your Settings or Help page. Clicking on this will open a form where you can explain your issue directly to LinkedIn's support team. Fill in the required fields with accurate information about the error you're experiencing, and remember to be as detailed as possible to expedite the resolution process. Once everything's filled out, go ahead and submit the request. Follow these steps and you should be well on your way to resolving the "You've already submitted a request" error on LinkedIn. By accessing the Help Center and submitting a detailed request, you're providing LinkedIn's support team with the necessary information to assist you efficiently. Be sure to check your email or LinkedIn notifications regularly for updates from LinkedIn regarding your request. And that wraps up our guide for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you solve your LinkedIn issue.